5 reasons why I've been using the Sunny Health and Fitness Premium Treadmill since January of 2022. Number 1 is the 12 incline levels. With 12 different incline options, I can effortlessly challenge myself during every workout. The auto incline button makes adjusting the incline a breeze, whether I'm walking uphill or sprinting to the finish line. Number 2 is the double deck technology. The double deck running surface is an absolute game changer. The shock absorption system and cushion designs make my workouts comfortable and easy on my joints, perfect for low impact training. Number 3 is the real-time heart rate tracking. The built-in pulse sensors let me monitor my heart rate in real time. It's so helpful to make sure I'm hitting the right intensity during my workouts to reach my fitness goals. Number 4 is the convenient speed buttons. Whether I'm in the mood for a light jog or a quick sprint, the quick access speed buttons 2, 4, 6, and 8 miles per hour make it super easy to find my perfect pace. Last up is easy storage and transport. When I'm done, folding the treadmill is hassle-free with the soft drop hydraulic mechanism. Plus, the transport wheels make it easy to move and store even in tight spaces.